Still hope.
Still hope. That nipa brain omu nim da wa bre.
Oh, asewo.
Kafra wate. No nyame ne mre nipa.
Efia nganjro mo. Efia dim bra ma fam so omo ka won nganjro mo.
Hope. O de oba ka te aye nyina asate wedi. Me pese me bo obi adin. Na onim. Aye a me no ko ba man. Okay, e bo nyina kire ho. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Gana o Canada no. Yo Canada no. Akwa wo tuhum ya oya yi. Unsa ne ho no to Canada.
Me kai.
So radio, ye jato no pakop menwumbre. So refia.
Wow.
Na wo samia ku ni samia ku wana senke odi de party no mu. Eto wo kasa obi nte wase. Na obi nim bra wa bre. Eno nkwa de to ho no de ma party no. Enti obi aka bibia na wo kasa asema wo ka no. Sankomo pe party ni ye a eno kom be kasa papa. Sankomo ka asem se obi a odo party ni bia no ko nsa amra. Na kanye hope si mu ne beka trom se. Na wo me say alanche matin se wasi abre no 1992 ni edi akire. Tema run about one.
Yeah.
Ghana wo kumase no o se kamio. O chepe kamzo o chehwe no. Sa menye di akire e wotema. Ya nyankola o. Ya nyinyini. Na party ne di akire ache. Ubusa Spain, Holland, Germany, and London ha busa party se mesi di akire busa so radio. Amansa busa omu nyina. Hope sin di enim no onim yen. Mr. Ni mu nyina beto e party no mo. How come see nim omu nyina beto e party no.
Yeah.
Esu yen kasa e din hope ti asem o kanya ni nyina ye clear. Alan on the jeja no ho e ma Kufuado 2 minutes ko de Kufuado nsa. Obi enim o party no. Na Kufuado odi Alan hwammo but nye hwe ewiase the Alan yama party no. Obi en otime mesi obi a miracle kasa ho ahwan no. O kasa obekasa onyase nyina guritirim. No ba party no da ben. Opsin ko akoma to yam na hope in there still hope. Never lose hope. Onyame on me so onyame na si hene. What's the hope?
It only hope see I say 2028 NPP for forgetting.
Na kana Japan ma hwan beba. Kana Japan ba hope si mu nyina ya we kana Japan ba kombe support. Na Baumia do hwan na Baumia ma 16 good years our party no. Afia enipa mo abra party me bia eni Baumia o. Ye pese be kan NPP. Na kwamna Japan so si abra party o nya asem keto o. Je say eno be wa intimi nka. Yankasa ne de nsem na yesi de ni na hwe omo de Baumia ba hen. Omo fa na mra obi anka hwe. So omo koye sa 2023 de ni biewo a Jombe hwe gukra de so hope gukra so omo 28 ko munya me nam ka kire o mark my way so pa bodate opa bodate afia ye party ya kuma dia church ya say sika ho ba nye nsem ya na ye ka enipa bi omo ntua ka pre ho mesi ma ka aboaje no ba da be na komia da be no what is ye kampe bi odi achiri kikiki mbisa o ade ni mom nyina omo ensem se ombo ade ni mom nyina ensem se chombo but omo ntimi ka so bia ye din
okay
share na boache jako de boache jako se de sia bell party ho boache jako se sia bell party ho papa wi afia enipa nya ye
mo internal problem
dia se cha man for bo no nya bi ni o Alan kra de on se Alan omo se Alan ni aboche hwe afia na kwa bo Alan se o sia bo party no ka no enti ka Japan ka so on nye sa Alan no ba man for ntia se Alan abufo na ma kana Japan ti si agro no mo eno na me ka kire kana Japan no nye na adwene sa abufuo no titi mu opa buso obi abusa mpanifo kana Japan no nye na adwene ba bia
yo misaka mama na ase ne o kan no say problems no dey bebre wo party men no aka bra say good evening
platform to say they no ye ni 2016 nipa nya ni mugidie but dey me pesa me kan say aye omo pushi Baumia gidigidi ugidi say so babe mount platform bio say or ma lectures about economy. Who is going to believe him? So on multi-platform to say they know in 2016, nipa nya ni mugidie enunti ejina so to pa ma no na. So on multi-platform ni bio no ka about economy. Who is going to believe him? Hey, mama a typical example be. Madam for be no report. Sabe madam for no me say before 2016. So obi to say Akufuado say na sebe or nigu from crash undi and nobody. Sa madam for because of policies ne niema omugu port iti. Eda ye kokoto about that for catch him say me tu aba ewo samye wuku ho. Me ko ye no. Me tu ma samye wuku. But be tu ti aba omia. Eti eniema na ekoso no eye niema e kwoswa e affect people personally omo personal ebufuo ehwe omomu it is a party no e pese ye dwen hu ne hu se ye pese ye ba power bi wa sa era of sa Akufo-Addo Bawumia ne de you cannot decouple Bawumia from Akufo-Addo. It is not possible. It is not possible. It is our numbers now. You say yen Crawford, ye kasi yen Crawford na man metuaba, yen Crawford na man metuaba no. Say the only way I bet me, akasi eba back ne say ye hope say NDC for momoding. Na ye jinaso edi akasi oma momoding, iti oma momoding no edi ye omonsa ma ye chance bill. But the point is that who is the candidate I the neighbor? So jinahwa the credibility ne say because people gave you the opportunity based on the same wokaye and ye pass so edigina so the two abama. What you say? Eti asam na ekoso ne de say yan hwe ne yie na ye nyi sa personal issues we bi a umpe Kennedy asem umpe Brian asem umpe. When you look at the bigger picture is that who are we presenting a nipa ni nyina ebegino and then ato aba. Ada mi nua Hobson so the Hobson party ni de ebeyi de hia ne say ye betimi aye changes was our mafia gang na ewo ho ni nyina si etimi sisa sa mafia gang na say o ma gange apai decide say o mo good party na man na si etimi gisa krofo yo mo say party ya we will come back again because party ni de odo no wo ho ye wo ye core base no wo ho already. All we have to do is to make these changes na betimi aboa amakro na ye nti no eno ne de me so me pese meka
yo brase chi mame na ase ne
Ghana for kasa before say we crab beba the hopes me aka yina no asase yina no before selection beba no no credit da ho Ghana for pese ombegu just say Ghana for kan ye be ye bi
no credit da o say dem ba o mi enwini
no credit da ho da say ba o mi enwini ya da be na hopes be kan say mu a che papa enye hopes nkwampo ade no bi bia di adanse say na na akui na enko yi no credit da ho Ghana for 16 say was there be no credit the whole pass when people miss someone say can ba or ben when vote and so no person the best ophthalmologist when need you said nipa in any year and so changing the infra glasses we show lenses we show no who ye can there be no be can me will have be can repass him NPP na implement repass him in 2006 more na implement more na body repass policy by you and so more NPP and they say good. I say idea now benefit one. I say a better year ma what and they will say oh implement it. Oh na NPP the breast one the repass is good and sounds very big. Oh and the omunya say they are forcing candidature on the I mean in the throat of Ghanaians no. Na omo no kreno. NPP no kreno.
I don't see forcing no delegate elections and about winning which one is forcing. Ya to abana ba ko wini Canada Japan wini ba me na wini enti one na force what
they see asem na make the course is see say the course is see wo hwe the course na omonim no credit say Ghana for enye about candidate o mbehwe ko kuamu ayi selection ayi abaw eye about mo tenase MPP tenase who said die na Ghana for ka the ka MPP no the MPP no MPP
anye den a me effort to ka ho bi ana moda opposition ne so onimu a onko bisa ne boss a wodi na chi Dr. Bawumia NPP winning 2016 na be ko ayi na President Akufo-Addo ne Dr. Bawumia omoko Kumase eti be send no message say me ba no honum enti onu dru Kumase no no hu say sa ma send no message no ofra me no say oni ho nti no nanka me se me ba honum 6 pm eti oni ho eti obedi 2 days oba na maba woni me kasa wie no anche ana security for no ba ko frɛ me o say oze oluma bo abaso ka kire Bawumia say 2016 victory ni there or dedicated the hopes woti America how you didn't know what we went through ba be jina honum ba be ka say hopes yeah so how dey no eti etoda ye de yi ni eka politics ni de be ye etoda suggestions ye be ma opa memfa Osman wohui me hu da wakasa waka anything positive about only opponent NDC. Menti bida. Now what do you expect me say? Me na me movement for change, me make something positive about NPP. What kind of reasoning is that? When you tiakra say dollars atikra no oti hodum say and you want me to come and then be praising you. What say? Misusu mo. Misusu mo. Se misusu mo dia. Misusu mo dia. Ani misusu mo nja say e amudi matem no. Me ka say tie Osman asema tie Osman asema wo kai. Se me asema me kai na wo hu ni ti ni nai. Na atem didie complete.
And the crew.
What you say? Atem didie complete. But you know, but this me feel no, me ignore no. Because Osman, me a man for him hope say no. A man for him hope say no. Osman no be any mono.
Ima mani kasawa empacho.
One day no. A man for him hope say no. Osman no be any mono. Eti enye anamba beka say me yese anase me yese. May have paid my dues. Yes, say me ye my ye. Edi ebium. So one day no. Eti me dey dey make nyina ne say most of the positive numbers na mo penye problem. Evia, Obeka me interview be in August 2024. And I make say ye to abani we doctor but we abenya 39%. Video no opa me we a message video na mo. I think I FM for na omo ye me
interview no.
Omo ye me say interview. And what can me insist say omo fan sign baby a MPP benya 39%. Yeah, first one, na 41. We move adding 9 constituencies in the better quality BBA na 38.2. It would be plus and minus. Is it far from near Mekayano? Etino, nobody be a honumwa. Now walk on, Meso do Monfa, Dr. Baumiamra. MPP Benya 28%. Mena make a show.
Yo.
The mere fact is say, yet you could do call 3 times and so winning doesn't mean say, you do Baumia 10 times over winning. Or winning.
Okay.
Engineer, as Osman Mono or Muhu, no Motiaziano. Me, when you make me an enemy, I will be enemy to you.
And you're not agita. Okay, hold on. I'm not going to say movies. Hang on for me. Hold on for me so that I person respond. Ima, good evening.
Good evening.
I really don't see a DBA from what Dr. Branich Patamo. He said what more MPP you have said. Baby, I'm many bright champion, what different opinion. And now no asem okoka efa me na me boa party no. Na Eastern region crime na me 2SS ka no. And I think Dr. Branich Tampon fell into a trap. You must also make sure so strategy now you to be solid. And yes, sir. All the party ni nyina be kwa to asem which it appears for me, respectfully, what I think is what they want to trap mukakra. Because at the end, okay, number one, I'm not about snap a person. It is I agree with you. One can be there, Bonibia. What you say? You have succeeded in bringing yourself into the national level where now you are in the same category with Dr. Baumia. You are in the same category with Canadian Japan, and you are firing all cylinders. But I think that you could have made your points. I mean, I'm a boa party no Eastern region. I mean, I'm a supporting party no Eastern region. Delegates, when I'm a trio, but for you to say, Dr. Baumia Fakapre, man, they're dead, you are dead wrong. You are dead wrong. But because you see, what you have done is that we don't want to trap before because any ordinary Ghanaian, any ordinary voter, because and only so no one boarding say delegates be 1,000 something. You know, 3 things. Number one, what you have done is that we are starting war between party delegates, any polling station executives, any MPP party for in general, because Obi or MPP need beer or tea baby delegates sir. Say momo $1,300 $100. $900 cragana for those any will be. Sir, and a muddy and a matnaso and a brand chap abetimo. Number 2, it's your best starting talk between polling station for no Any delegates now mukoto about the other people no. Ebe starting talk between floor NPP members. Any delegates where there a didija. Say amuko jiskedi and a matnaso. Apart from that, for the general population, what sounds my perception? When you see our corruption perception index, and the perception is that politicians more across for. And it's a we are brand here, brand a champ or the 50 BB. We are school now, they call military buy a kakra or brand no be do saying. Many put to make calculate Eastern region, do not send delegate, do not send every constituency. Multiplied by region, total delegate, not just a sika or the buy any. And Obi answered him say before politician Bema delegates, can I just say a surplus? Nisika or one of surplus, no. It is a $1,000 something. Emma each delegate, and I just say, bra, Sika de bi wo na ho surplus ma de ma delegates. Unya ne we then it should start the questions. Unya says can we na Brian Chap for the ma delegates no. Adwuma ben na wo ye. Because as far as the ordinary Ghanaian voter is concerned, where Juma will be enemy a rock city. Names our IT company be into IT. In any case, IT company, we can value the IT company simple. Nisika saying, it's Dr. Brian Chap men found home kotwasemu. Strategy na mu use you and wrong. Eti Mr. Minim say team no. I'm sure they talk to you. But me aminim so etikafo ewo suban bi. Obi wo sika kakra. The level at which obi kasa obetie ne ye ketwa. Eti Mr. Dr. Chap this time team no. They also omukra kasa mpacho make an extra effort to listen. So one statement pen destroy Napo. Napo kokana na ndisi mfa dum so mbra nyina obi ashada nkahe. But one statement that thing destroyed him. And he's still working on rebuilding his image. And to who has Brian Chap or who future men straight now for one which is what you have done. And you see the good thing is the early days. And you all know way me, I am describing it as an error. I think it's a mistake. So can't say no. And who bet to me on I'm sure Eastern region, me boa moment I'm sponsor party no Eastern region. So Bago kana Obiaje saying, and Dr. Baumia you can campaign on your strength. Who are young man, who are vibrant, who are good, who are meduma, who are committed, who are passionate for Ghana. Talk about that. But Dr. Baumia Fakapramano, how is that going to enhance your candidature? How is that going to enhance your candidature, Brian Champo? Minim say team ne catch us don't say that now okay. So that you can have the same way our can't hear about me and I didn't do baba. Not say oh we near. We go for about me from Bebo camp. I mean sometimes we shouldn't be the ones advising you, but me in terms of political knowledge, I understand the political space. I've been in this space for a long time. And to me say a mistake, you must see that okay, mami tie the efia canon. Perhaps there's wisdom in it. Say I want the men call a what true. I think you can still make your point. But the issue that you made about, okay, you see, I'm for Baumia, now Baumia bet me my northern region vote. Baumia and for no vote. I think it's a solid observation. It's a solid. Yeah, what had him saying, I'm a cover Dr. Donfe. And everybody said religion be play key role. They said that northern region, Baumia Hono, or bet me flipping regions in the and Baumia couldn't do it. The results, whatever happens shows that Baumia to me and flipping vote no be any say Baumia the beba from the northern regions. When to me and finding number. I know the oka 1 year bonnet. You are not being tribalistic. You are just saying it as the record and the statistics say. It's a fair comment. Even if Dr. Baumia so no one it's a fair comment. But so Becca said I'm coming and me support Eastern region about me and Fakaprama. Or I'm fan cap one. You're careful though. You're careful.